Happy New Year to you guys. Hope you're having nice time and hope you've set up your goals for this year, set up your New Year resolution, things you want to do and things you don't want to do, and a lot of wrong things you did in the past year that you don't wish to do this year. Hope you set your mind on that. So guys, are you still out there and you're wondering what it is you need to do to start a YouTube channel? Like seriously, you don't need to do anything, you just need to start. Just create a channel. When you create a channel, as time goes on, you understand that creating a channel right now is a very great step you need to do to start a YouTube channel, guys. Yeah, this is 2021. Starting a YouTube channel now is not too late. All you need to do is just to start, and by the time you start, just be consistent, keep posting, keep doing clear videos, and keep doing everything right. Trust me, one day a channel will come up tops, guys. So growing a channel in 2021 is not something that's very hard. You just need to be determined right here, have it in your mind right here that you want to do something great, you want to do something good, you want to come out tops. As you guys can see in this channel, I'm no longer having views like before, and I know the reason why, you understand, but that does not stop me from posting, guys. I'll keep on posting, you understand. I'll keep on posting, guys. I know most of you that started with me right from day one knows that I deleted close to 60 comedies from my channel, and that affected my channel greatly, guys. I'm no longer getting views like before. It's like maybe I no longer have fans, but it's paining me inside, but I just have to do it. Be consistent, guys. I'm determined. I'm not just doing it for the money, I'm doing it for the love I have for it. I love editing, and I love editing videos and doing video editing stuff. With time, I'll bring lots of new things to the channel, guys. So the key word here is be determined and do what you love doing, guys. In order for you to start a YouTube channel in 2021, do what you love doing. There's so many things out there that you might fall in love with, so just do it. Make a video out of it, and trust me, you come out tops. All right, I'll keep on giving you tips and tricks on how to start from low and become successful with it, guys. All right, expect a video like this next time. I love you all. Thanks.